Hi guys, how can you create this thunder neon line effect in Photoshop like this? Open your image in Photoshop. Go to Image Calculations. Set the blending mode to multiply. Set the opacity to 50%. Choose blue as the first channel and red as the second channel. Press OK. Now go to the Channels panel and select the newly created Alpha channel. Press Ctrl plus A to select all. Press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Go back to the Layers panel and create a new layer. Press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Create another new layer. Select the Brush tool. Choose a hard round brush and set the size around 21 pixels. Make sure the foreground color is white. Now draw a thunder-style zigzag line on your image. Double-click the thunder line layer to open blending options. Enable drop shadow. Set the blending mode to Linear Dodge. Set opacity to 100%. Set the angle to 30 degrees. Now enable outer glow. Set the blending mode to Linear Dodge. Set opacity to 100% and noise to 0. Choose a bright red color or any neon color you prefer. Set the technique to softer. Adjust the size to around 53 pixels. Choose a sharp contour style, such as the second preset, for a stronger lighting look. Set the range close to 100%. Press OK. Now select the Move tool and position the thunder neon line wherever it looks best in your image. And that's it. This is how you can create a thunder neon line effect in Photoshop.